received. It's mid-property of a terrace street. Yeah, it's going to be quite a large evacuation process next Sunday. Can we all evacuate the street? Do we know who lives in the street by here? Does anyone know who lives in this house? Guys, does anyone know who lives in this house? Keep everyone back behind the cars.
They've got information to suggest this vehicle might be involved in drug supply, alright? So you're going to be detained for a search at the moment. Is there anything in here?
Nah, I don't know.
Pardon?
Nah.
Nah or nah, I don't think so?
Nah.
Okay. You're going to be under arrest as well, mate. Right. Possession of bladed article and forgotten.
Literally, he fell out with his bird and we was on a drive anyway, so we come and picked him up.
You're going to be under arrest under conspiracy to commit arson or the suspicion of, okay?